Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and this week I've got another update of my Shouts Great Create fundraiser, where I have been spending every day this month creating something, trying a new craft, revisiting an old craft, and making lots of lovely things. Wherever possible, I have tried to include either details about Shout or the blue heart, which is kind of their symbol for this particular project. I have loved every second, and obviously we are now on the 29th of this month, so there really is not much further to go. This will be the last crafting update that I do, but I will do a fundraising update next week, just so that you know where I got to with my fundraising. And so, what have I been up to this week? I started off with some clay cover minders. I made these using air dry clay, cut into simple little hearts, and then once dry, decorated with resin, glitter, and nail polish for colour. For day 24, I got to revisit one of my very favourite art forms, watercolour painting. I have been watercolour painting since I was about 13 years old, and my absolute favourite thing to paint is skies and skyscapes. So I just let my imagination go and painted this little sea beachy scene using some of my favourite colours, with some lovely fluffy clouds in the background. Continuing with an arty theme, I created this gorgeous greeting card using heat reactive glitter and pearlescent paint, along with some dried flowers, something that I could send to celebrate the full moon. For day 26, I revisited shrink plastic, as mentioned earlier in the month. This time, instead of shrinking using the oven, I used an artist's heat gun, and as you can see here, took a little bit of time and fiddling around, but eventually I did get a successful shrink on this little potion bottle with the Shouts blue heart on it. It's giving me kind of witchy vibes, and I really like it. Next up, I played with some UV resin and more dried flowers, and of course glitter, because everything is better with glitter. And I created this lovely bookmark, which I'm really pleased with, and you can see it here displayed next to a piece of my writing from one of my published books. Day 28, some lovely painted rocks. I had great fun with these, especially using the gold paint, and just advertising Shout's good work and the number 2 text should you need their help. These rocks will be placed out in the local area to be found. The hiding and finding of rocks is quite a common thing where I live. And so we come to today. Today I have been working on this lovely fan, which is a paint by numbers. It's based off of both the Great Wave and also Van Gogh's Starry Night. I love paint by numbers, and having fans that you can decorate. It's just a really novel idea, and I'm really enjoying it. And so I will only have tomorrow as my last day to do a craft. I've got a few things in mind, and I will of course update you when I do my final fundraiser total. Until my next video, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next one. Stay crafty.